In this video, I will tell how to solve a cubic equation given one of the root is known. So, a general cubic equation will be of this form: ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. So, we assume that alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this equation. If these are the roots of this equation, then we know that the sum of the roots is given by minus b by a, and the product alpha, beta, gamma is given by minus d by a. Assuming that one of the root can be found out by trial and error, then the other root can be found out easily without any long division or synthetic division. So assume that gamma is known, gamma is given or known. If this is known, then we have to find out alpha and beta. We can assume that gamma is non-zero. If gamma is 0, then the cubic equation will become 1 without a constant term, so that the x can be taken out as common and you will easily solve it. So we can assume that gamma is anyway non-zero also. If it is 0, then it is a trivial problem to solve it. So once you assume that gamma is non-zero, then you can see that alpha plus beta is given by minus b by a minus gamma, and alpha beta is given by minus d by a gamma. So we have to find out alpha and beta satisfying these two equations. Essentially, if you want to write it as the solution of a quadratic, then we have to solve this quadratic: x square plus x square plus b by a plus gamma times x minus d by a gamma. This is the equation that we have to solve to get alpha and beta, because whenever you have a we have alpha beta as the root of a quadratic equation, that quadratic equation will become x minus alpha, x minus beta equal to 0, or in other words, it will be alpha plus beta times x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So this is the quadratic. So we have written that quadratic here. When alpha plus beta and alpha betas are known, then this is the quadratic whose roots are alpha beta. So if we solve this equation for x, then we will get the corresponding alpha and beta. So it is very easy process. There is no long division coming here in picture. As an example, let us see this equation: x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 equal to 0. This equation has easily we can see that x equal to 1 works here. When x is 1, then you are getting 1 minus 1 plus 2, which is 0. Therefore x equal to 1 is the root, so we can take gamma to be 1. So we can take gamma to be 1. Then once you have gamma is 1 and our a is 1, b is minus 2, and c is minus 1, and d is 2, then this equation star becomes a quadratic equation given by this x square b by a will be minus 2 plus 1, the gamma. So minus 2 minus 1, so minus x is coming, and then we have to compute minus d by a gamma. Minus d will be minus 2 by a gamma. A into gamma is 1, so minus 2 will come. So this is the equation that we have to solve. If we solve this, we are getting say minus 1 and 2. We can see that the solution of this is minus 1 and 2. So the roots of the cubic equations are therefore 1 minus 1 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation, are the roots. That is it. So very easy to solve by this method instead of using the long division.